Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devata. Where the gods are respected, the deities reside there. This is not your and my utterness, but the Vedas are sentences, yet the poles have been hovering over the truth for centuries. Thinking about the modern side of the subject, I am happy to know that on the one hand, a scheme like women employment, Ladli Yojana, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao etc. are being implemented, which proves that a still higher position of society, intellectual people are sedimentary who are bucking to give their rights to the women who play half roles in the structure of the world. On the other hand, I feel sad that there are people in a country like India who need to be told that women they should also get their rights. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan is not just a plan or campaign. It is a social subject connected with the thinking of people who have to change the bad thinking of the people hiding behind it, which is a difficult task. After God, only women have the capacity to create. Just imagine what society would be like if there were no women. A nation without women, one only needs to imagine. The picture will be cleared automatically. There is no work that girls cannot do. He is also an equal participant in the progress of the country. There are millions of names from Indira Gandhi to Kalpana Chawla who have made the country proud. When a child is taught only one person is educated, while teaching a girl child makes two family illiterate. It is the literate mother who builds her child character. So he is not only the birth giver but also the character builder, because he has many character. A girl take birth first and becomes a daughter. She stands as a shield in every crisis for her parents. As a sister, she supports her brother. Then as a wife, she supports her husband and in-laws in every happiness and sorrow. As a mother, she surrounds herself to her children, sees the sacrament in her children. The famous sentence said by our forefathers to awaken people, it is necessary for women to be awakened. Once she takes her step, the family moves forward, the village moves forward, and the nation is oriented towards development. In India, to empower women, first of all, it is necessary to kill all those monsters thought that kill their rights and values in society, like dowry, literacy, sexual violence, inequality, feticide, domestic violence toward women, rape, prostitution, human trafficking, and similar topics. Gender discrimination being cultural, social, economic, and educational difference in the nation, which puts equality maintained in the Constitution of India, is most effective way to eradicate such evils. We all need to awake. Only then India will grow.